Start your day with a beachside buffet and character fun at Minnie's Breakfast with Pals at Cape May. Cape May Cafe's character breakfast, known as Minnie's Beach Bash Breakfast, is a buffet-style dining experience located right inside Disney's Beach Club Resort. This is where guests can enjoy classic breakfast favorites like the iconic Mickey waffles, some omelets, and Caribbean-themed pastries. And you get to enjoy all this while meeting with Minnie, Donald, Daisy, and Goofy in adorable beachwear. Set in a cheerful, coastal-themed space, the characters visit each table for photos and some photographs, making it a fun and memorable start to the day. It's the perfect way to kick off a magical morning in the heart of Walt Disney World.